name is Vijetha. I am studying in PPT Chemistry section. Our school name is Vijetha Viddyalaya. This is my project, Hummingbird. I am a hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world. I make my tiny nest on the tree branches. My nest is as small as a cup. Can you flap your arms like me? Hummingbirds are tiny and fast. Let's all protect the fluttering fly. Thank you, madam.
Namaste, madam. My name is Ryan Advai. I am staying in PB2. This is my project. Project name is Lion Den. Rodo, I am a lion. I live in the jungle. My home is den, where I rest in the shade. I rode to protect my home. Can you imagine living in my den? Thank you.
Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Mars is known as red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet. Thank you. Namaste, my name is Sai Vinith. I am from grade 1. Today I am presenting water cycle. Water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, a continuous process of water. Differences of water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, transpiration and sublimation. Thank you. My name is Nishan. I am studying grade 1. Today I am explaining about safety rules to be followed while moving on the road. Firstly, we should hold someone's hand when crossing the road. Look left, right, left again before crossing the road.
We use the zebra crossing to cross the road. Don't cross the road when the signal is red.
Wait for the signal to turn green before crossing the road. Footpath. Pedestrians should always walk on the footpath, not on the roads. We always follow the traffic rules while going on the road to prevent accidents. Stay safety. Thank you. Very good. I am telling about coins and notes. Our Indian currency, all coins and notes are 2 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note. Thank you. Namaste sir. This is my project air pollution. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air but we can feel it. Air contains many gases, water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. Nitrogen is present in a maximum amount and oxygen is in moderate. Dirty air is called polluted air. Making air dirty is called air pollution. The air can be polluted by harmful gases and other substances. Air can be polluted both due to natural causes and human activities. Natural causes: smoke from volcanoes, forest fires, dust storms are the natural causes of air pollution. Human-made causes: burning of coal, burning of garbage, smoke from vehicles, smoke from factories are the human activities that causes air pollution. Thank you.
Namaste madam. Namaste sir. My name is Monica. I am studying in 2nd class because sexual water pollution. Human throwing garbage, rainwater mixing waste from factories or volcanic eruption in water bodies and floods. Pollution effects on humans, animals and plants. Diseases like cholera and typhoid are caused by drinking polluted water. To prevent water pollution, we do not only garbage or waste materials in the river and ponds. We do not wash any animals, clothes, utensils in water bodies. Factories should not throw their waste materials directly into the river. At home, we should boil water and then drink it. Boiling water removes germs. Thank you.
First
Namaste, madam, sir. Today, my name is Monica. I'm studying in second class Peacock section. Today, I'm going to say about my project water pollution. When people turn water things in water bodies, it makes the water dirty. This is called water pollution. Human activities causing water pollution are throwing garbage, rainwater mixing, dust from factories, farm mixing, oil spilling. Natural activities causing water pollution are volcanic eruption in water bodies and floods. Polluted water is unfit for everyone. It has harmful effects on humans, animals, and plants. Diseases like cholera and typhoid are caused by drinking polluted water. To prevent water pollution, we do not only garbage or waste materials in the river and ponds. We do not wash any animals, clothes. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. My name is Seshanakar. I am in grade 2. I am telling about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be used to make electricity in some cool ways. When raindrops fall on special materials, it can create a little bit of electricity. This is called piezoelectric electricity. Another way is to create to collect water in big containers. When the water flows out, it can spin wheels or machines to create power. Thank you. I am telling about medicinal plants. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a useful plant that helps with heal cuts, burns, and feel your tummy feel better. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is a green leaf with leaves and seeds that help with digestion and keeps your mouth fresh. It is also used in some religious ceremonies. Tulasi. Tulasi is a holy plant that helps with digestion, cough. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a plant with seeds and leaves that help with digestion, control sugar, and make your skin and hair healthy. Mint. Mint is a fresh smell plant that helps with digestion and keeps your mouth fresh. It is also drinks like tea. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Namaste, sir. My name is Mohammad Taimur. My project is about transportation, old transport and new transport. Means of transport has changed from olden to modern days. In earlier days, people used to walk and use animals for transport and for moving from one place to another place. According to the time, means of transport has also changed. After invention of wheel, means of transport has played an important role in modernization and development of the country. The means of transport are the ways in which people and objects are moved from one place to another place. Thank you.